Whether you're thinking about starting a new business or you currently have a business, you may be experiencing excuses and fears that are holding you back from moving forward. Starting a business or expanding your existing business can be scary. There are many risks that you as a business owner take on, but no matter where you are in your business journey, you need to be aware of when you're using excuses and fear to hold you back. In today's podcast episode, I talk about the most common excuses and fears that business owners have and how you can deal with them as they appear in your business. I'm also working on a program that will help you take you from the level that you're at in your business, whether that's the initial phases in getting your business set up and started, making your first 5K, 50K, 100K, or more each year. When you're aware of the excuses and the fears that you have in your business, you can start taking action to move past them and watch your business succeed. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. Moving past these excuses and fears will ultimately help you grow as a business owner, which will in turn help your business grow and succeed as well. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. When you think about your business, What do you feel is your biggest excuse that's holding you back? It may be what's holding you back from starting your business, or it may be what's holding you back from growing or scaling your business. Think about this for a minute. What do you think is holding you back right now in your business journey? If you know there's something holding you back, but you just can't seem to put your finger on it, you may find a few of the excuses and fears that I'm covering today might resonate with you. If so, make sure that you take some time to really think them through and create a plan to move past what is holding you back. Being aware of any excuses or fears is the first step in understanding what's holding you back so that you can move forward in your business. Many of the excuses and fears that I'm covering today are what hold people back from initially starting their business. But many business owners with existing businesses find these excuses and fears pop back up throughout their business journey. The first main excuse that I hear from many of my clients is that they're waiting for the right time. You may be thinking this as well, but I'll tell you that there are many business owners who've started their business that wish they would have started earlier. There will never be a perfect time to start your business. If you're thinking this excuse, ask yourself what is really holding you back. Why do you think that it's not the right time right now? Jot down every thought that you come up with and then get to work to see why this obstacle is something that you can simply come up with a plan to overcome. If it's your current job, you may be able to start a side hustle and grow your business from there. This helps you continue to have your stable paycheck, benefits, and the comfort of maintaining your current job while you start and grow your business to a point when you're ready to quit and go all in with your business. Whatever your excuse is, if you really want to start your business or grow your existing business, you need to find out what your excuses are and follow your plan to move past them. One of the biggest fears I hear my clients talk about is the fear of failure. The first thing that I want you to know is that this fear is normal and it's okay to have. If you never try, you'll never fail, but you'll also never succeed. Is this what you want for your dreams of owning a business? I want you to know that even the most successful business owners think this thought periodically, but they use it to their advantage. I want you to believe that when you fail, you can use this failure to create an opportunity to grow. It gives you the chance to see the failure and create a plan where you can try another way to succeed. There are many business owners out there that thrive on failure. They are ready to fail 1,000 times so that they can see what is not working and create something that will work. I want you to start embracing failure with everything that you do and let it help you grow as a business owner. Perfectionism is an excuse that I struggle with personally as well. Perfectionism can hold you and your business back in so many ways. If you wait for everything in your business to be perfect, you may never get your business started, or you may never allow your business to grow. Think about a simple thing in your business. Let's take your business cards, for example. If you're waiting until you have the perfect business card before you start your business, you could wait forever. But if you design a business card that suits your business right at this moment, don't wait any longer to order them. Don't let perfectionism hold you back. I promise your business cards will evolve over time. If you ask any business owner if they still have the first design they did for their business card, their website, or their brand, I'm sure they'll tell you no, and that they've had many over the years of owning their business. I like the saying, done is better than perfect. I want you to work towards not letting perfectionism hold you back in your business. Many of the business owners that I work with use time as their excuse. I hear that they don't have enough time in their day to start a business. If this resonates with you, I'm going to ask you to really take a look at this excuse also. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. I'm sure you've seen many business owners succeed even if they have a lot of other things going on in their lives. If you're asking yourself how they do it, You just need to start being mindful of where you are spending your 24 hours each day. You naturally prioritize things that are important to you. If starting a business is important to you, you'll need to start prioritizing the time that you devote to it. Start with a simple 15 minutes each day, or maybe a couple of hours each week. When you prioritize this time for your business, you'll be amazed at how much you can get done in your business when you're focused in this time. When you start prioritizing this time to focus on your business and you start getting things done, you'll often gain the motivation that you need to keep moving forward in your business. Money is often a big excuse I hear my clients talk about when they are just getting their business started. My best advice in this area is to start small and then grow and invest in your business over time. When you utilize what you have and you make the best of it, you may be amazed at what you can do in your business. Be resourceful. There are many things that you can do in your business that don't require money. You may need to roll up your sleeves and do the work yourself, but many business owners put a lot of sweat equity into their business to get it up and running. Some business owners will change how they live. They create a budget that has less overall costs so that they can invest this money into their business. If you are passionate about starting your business, you will find a way to make it work. This is the true meaning of entrepreneurship. If you're using your skills as an excuse or even a fear in either starting or growing your business, think about this for a minute. Here's another area where you can simply write down every thought that you have about the skill set that you currently have and why it's holding you back. If you genuinely lack a skill, find out how to learn more about it. Many business owners will have the skill set that they currently have, and they continue to increase their skill set and their knowledge around their business as they grow. If you already have what it takes to start your business, don't let this hold you back either. You'll gain additional experience throughout your business journey. If you have something that you can offer to help others who may be struggling, why wouldn't you take the initiative to help them? And then there's the competition. Many people will think that if there's a lot of competition in the area of the business that they are starting, it's a bad thing. It will hold them back from getting their business started. But what if I told you that competition is actually a good thing for your business? Competition means that your business idea is something that people will buy. It's solving a problem that your customer needs. What you need to do with your business is understand why your business will be different from the rest of your competition. Why should your customer want help from you rather than working with one of your competitors? Competition should never hold you back. You should use it in your favor to help your business grow. The last thing I want you to think about, especially if you're just getting started with your business, is why you want to start a business in the first place. I want you to understand the real reason behind your idea of starting a business. Is it freedom? Your passion for how you can help others? Or maybe it's the impact that you can make. Knowing your why will help carry you through your business when things get tough or you need extra motivation to keep moving forward. If you already have a business, you may already know your why, which may have helped you through some tough times. But if you don't know your why, take some time to think this through as well. Write your why down and post it somewhere you can see it every day. This will help motivate you in your business and keep you on track to reach your goals. Starting a business can be scary. Owning a business can be risky, and many businesses pivot from their initial idea and grow a successful business. But the only way you can do this is to take your initial idea and get your business started. You need to take the leap. You need to get past all your excuses and fears. You need to take it seriously, and once you get started, you'll be able to see where your business will go over time. Starting a business couldn't be easier than it is right now. If you want to start a business, what's holding you back? Don't let the excuses or fears I talk about in this episode hold you back. It takes a lot of work and perseverance to start and grow a business, but your first step is to use your obstacles as stepping stones to move you forward. You need to execute, and you'll do this when you take the first step to start your business. If you have an idea, you know your why, and you're ready to get your business going, I'm working on a program where I'm helping people just like you to help you get your business set up. I'm covering the foundations and what you need to do to set up your business. I know this is one area that holds people back from starting their business. They know what they want to do in their business, but they are just not sure how to get the business set up so they can start making money. In this program, I'm covering what you need to have in place, as well as how you can set everything up to track your finances, even if you're not making any money yet. This program is excellent for people who are just starting their business, and even those who may have already started their business but want to ensure that they set up their business correctly. If you're interested, you can sign up for the waitlist by going to financialadventure.com/start. I will initially be offering this program for free, so if you're ready to get your business set up and started, or if you know someone who could benefit from this program, please pass this information on to them or recommend that they listen to this podcast episode and join when they're ready. I know there are many people out there who either want to start a business or side hustle, but they've been waiting to get their business set up. They're using it as a roadblock. I know there's lots of questions you have when setting up your business, as well as many of the excuses and fears I've talked about in this episode. I'll help you not only acknowledge these excuses and fears, but I'll help you work through them as well. I'll help you with your idea and your why if you don't have these nailed down yet. I know you can research your way to setting up your business, but it takes time, and you never know if you're getting the correct information. When you sign up for this program, you'll fast track your way to getting your business set up so that you can start making money. I'll save you time, and for now, it is free. It's a win-win situation for you, so I hope to see you in the program soon. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.